Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can search for creators on your OnlyFans. To do so, just follow some simple steps and really quick steps that I will show you on this video. First of all, go into your Google browser to open up onlyfans.com and to log into your OnlyFans account. After you have logged into your OnlyFans account, you'll be on the home page or home screen of OnlyFans. And right now you can see there is a box to search for post on the top right side of your screen. And here you can just search for any accounts that you wish for. Just write their name and hit on enter. After doing so, you can see that the search results have been popping up on your screen, and now you can easily visit the search or post that you want with this. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.